Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can navigate one text field to another text field when the press the enter button. Suppose we have three text field, username and contact and email. Now I something type in username and press enter button, then it is navigate to text field, and when I type any information in contact and press enter button, then it is going to navigate to email text field, and when I press enter in an email text field, then it would be going to click button for. Now we can see how we can implement that. So for that we need to select the username text field, open this editor and on submit method, not on change on focus change. We just select on submit method, and our target is contact contact text field. And in a context text field, here one property focus field when set is mandatory to enable. That's it. And I just close this and select the contact text field, and same thing repeat here. I just select and email text field and enable focus field when set. And same thing for email. And here select open editor on submit action, add here button, click button. I think it would be not present here. Just I need to show you how we can navigate here. Now I just save, it would be automatically save, and we can add the action here, set form field. I run this application and we can see it is reflected and working or not. Our application is successfully starting. Now we can try. First I select a username and type something. Username is Mayur, and I press enter. Now please navigate to contact. Something type here 9879 and press enter. Now it is also navigate when I press enter, when I was in a contact text field, and something I type here, and click on this button now, yahoo.com, and press here. Now it is working. So validation is successfully performed. There is no error. So this way we can navigate to one text field to another text field when I press the enter. So this approach is achieving when we have create action on submit. So when we implement enter event, there is no any specific approach, but on submit action we need to add. So this way we can get approach for enter key.